Hi everyone, my name is Maria Cartaya and I'm in charge of communications here at Sterna Abogados. I would like to start this video by thanking everyone that watches our videos and asking you to please subscribe so that you do not miss any of our future videos. Also, I wanted to let you know that I am not personally a lawyer, but I work closely with all of our lawyers here at Sterna Abogados, and all of the information that I will be giving to you today has been given to me by our lawyers, so it's verified information that they have checked. And I will be doing a little bit of reading just to make sure that I get some of the terms right for you and to make sure that all of the information that I give you is accurate and correct. So today we're going to talk about ERTEs and ERES. If you live in Spain currently or you're following the situation closely in the state of alarm with the coronavirus, you will know this term, or you will at least have heard of it because everybody's talking about it. So we want to explain to you what does an ERTE or an ERE mean, okay? And we're gonna talk about how this can affect you and what the president has said about this, okay? So excuse me if I am looking down a little bit. As I said before, I will be doing a little bit of reading to make sure that I get all of the information right for you, okay? So let's start. The ERTE is a temporary employment regulation record. And in Spanish is expedientes de regulación temporal de empleo, okay? So basically, it is a suspension of your contract, but it's temporary. It's not like you're getting fired because it's not indefinitely or forever. It just means you're losing your job temporarily due to a certain situation, in this case, the coronavirus, okay? An ERTE can also mean a reduction in your hours. So it doesn't necessarily mean that you are temporarily losing your job. It could also mean you're temporarily gonna do less hours of work, okay? On the other hand, there is also an ERE. An ERE refers to employment regulation files, which is defined as collective dismissal. This is like firing everybody, okay? So there is a difference because ERTEs are temporary and EREs are final. They're like a dismissal, okay? So a lot of companies are doing these ERTEs and EREs because they don't have other options. Everything is closing down, people are not able to go to work, so the companies obviously have to do something about it to be able to keep functioning, okay? So one of the questions that we get asked frequently is, can this coronavirus make my company perform ERTEs? And the answer is yes. The company could do an ERTE to avoid workers and customers getting sick. And also because of the coronavirus, not only people are not going to work personally, but not everybody can work from home. So an ERTE can happen due to the coronavirus situation. So another question, while we're living through this crisis caused by the coronavirus, how long can an ERTE be established for? Right now, there is not a deadline, it does not exist. We stipulate or we estimate that it might be for as long as the state of alarm, because of course, until the government doesn't allow us to go back to work, you might be on an ERTE, but there is no a time limit yet, okay? In what situation will the employees affected by an ERTE find themselves? So basically, the employees must be reinstated once the stipulated period ends. However, they will not receive any type of compensation as the period would be temporary. Basically, a lot of people are thinking of ERTEs as you're getting fired, and a lot of people are wondering, okay, do I get any compensations? The answer is no, because you're not really getting fired for real forever, okay? You're only getting fired for a certain period of time. That means that that period of time will be over and you will be reinstated and you will be back to work. However, many of you might have heard of the unemployment benefit, which in Spanish is prestación por desempleo. And this is something that people apply for when they are jobless, when they don't have a job. When they lose their job, you can request unemployment benefits. Usually you must have you need to have worked for at least 365 days, which is a year, in order to be able to apply for these benefits. But the President Sanchez has said in a recent conference on TV that he will allow people to apply for these benefits even if they have not worked for more than a year. Of course, this will change on how much money you will receive, but you will receive benefits for being unemployed even if you did not work for a whole year, which is very good, because a lot of people are going through this and have not worked for more than a year, and this could be really bad for them. So we want to remind you here from Sterna Abogados that we have created a new consultation with one of our lawyers that is specialized in this topic of ERTES and ERES, and this could be really helpful for you if you feel like you're in danger of getting an ERTE or an ERE. Please do not hesitate and contact us. We can do consultations over the phone or Skype, and we'll be really happy to help. If you do have any further questions, please leave them in the comments section. And last, I want to thank you for watching our videos and remind you or ask you to please subscribe so you don't miss any further videos. If you have found that this video was very helpful, please like and share it with other people so that we can spread all of this information and help as many people as we can. Thank you so much for watching.